Okay guys, look here. Today again it started with volatility. Index robot Orion Ventures 3.1, $135.92 is the profit we tested. This robot is working very awesome. Volatility 75 is the pure scalping, and the crush 1000. I'll look here, a crush and jump index. This also working on jump index. We made some good profit using this robot. It's really working very good. Okay guys, now look here, it's pure scalping. Okay, not a long term in any other condition. It's working very good on this. Look here, watch the video till I'm screen. So let's withdraw this money, $125 from my binary account. Okay, now let's go on. Here we took the withdraw from this account, 75 $125 is ready. Let's click on a withdraw. Okay, and process the withdraw. They have sent me the email. Yes, they have sent me the email. So now it's time to take the withdraw. Okay, now let's check my inbox, and here is the email from binary.com. Yeah, there is binary.com. Let's click on this link and go through this and withdraw in my secret account. And withdraw is $125. Let's click on secret and request for payout. Now that's done. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. If you wish to have this report inboxes, check the video description.